All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and the channel is all about making money online. And then we teach people how to do the same so that they can get away from their 9 to 5 or make some extra money on the side or however they want to do it. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. We appreciate it. And if you like this video, please leave me a like on it and don't forget to comment. All right, so what I want to do today, we're going to continue our daily series right here, turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank. And we're just using a copy and paste method for this. That's all we're doing. We're not promoting social media. We're not doing any paid ads or anything like that. All we're doing is using copy and paste emails that are already written for us. And we are on the third offer in Clickbank for this series. This is day number 42, I believe, of the series. And we're just going to continue right along. Now, what I do want to show you is one thing. So I have had some questions, and below all of my videos, so here's yesterday's. Below all of these, if you come in here where it says show more, inside there is going to be, there's the link to join MLGS if you want to do this. And then I show, I think I'll show you again how to daisy chain accounts if you want to run more than one account so you can get those extra bonus leads. So what you're going to do, you're just going to go in here and you're going to join, and this will be joining under me. Now I will make a small commission from when you join, but I'm going to show you how you can make that on your next accounts. You get paid yourself, and then you also get to double your leads every single day, taking this from 100 leads a day to 200 leads a day. And that's all through you, right? So basically you get a discount on the next program you sign up on. So what you're going to do, you're going to, let me jump over to MLGS and we'll show you this real quick. So we'll just run through it. So I'm just going to log into any one of my accounts. And this right here is going to be, let me grab a pen. So this right here is going to be your affiliate link. So this is your link that you can promote and you can make sales with MLGS. You can make your sales with MLGS. So all you're going to do is get rid of the pen. Once you have this first account, you're going to go get your link. Okay, this is tied to you. So you're just going to Control C and copy that. You're going to go to a new window. You're going to paste your link. Okay, now this is under you. Okay, so now you can go in. You can go in here and go ahead and just come down, click use my secret now. It's under yourself. You will need a different email address for this second account. You don't use the same email address, but use your same name. They don't care how many accounts you have. So use your name, use the same credit card. It's all fine. None of that matters. Just the email address matters. And of course, your username is going to change for each account. So just kind of put those in there however you want them, and then you're all set. So then on that first account now, you're going to, every time you pay your $30 a month, you're going to get $5 back. And you're also going to get in that first account those additional 100 bonus leads every single day. So now your total is 200 every day instead of just a 100. So you're going to double those leads. And now if you want to do that 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, we run 5 accounts for every system we run, because it blows those up so big and we get that many more leads in there. And then we get a discount on all of our accounts because we're getting that extra money back every time. So basically, you know, every I don't know, 5 months, we're getting a free payment basically in there. So it doesn't amount to a lot in there. That's why I'm not really worried about the $5 as far as you sign up all the accounts under me. I want you to be able to have those extra leads, and I want you to get that $5 back whenever you pay your bill. It's a nice little discount. So that's why we do that. All right. So once you've done that, then you're ready to go. Now, what I have done, I did go through yesterday and I put all the emails we're using in a Google Doc, and I did put that down below this video. So you'll be able to see that just like I showed you before. If you come in here, you're going to see right here. Here's those email swipes. And if you just click that, it's going to bring that file up. My internet's a little bit slow. Bear with me. All right. And there's all those emails in here. And you can just go in here and you can just copy. And then you're going to paste those into the mailing system, just like we show every single day. And you can just come in here. This is exactly how they are in the Clickbank system. So you can make any changes you want once you paste those over. So today we're going to be on day 2. I've got this document pulled up on my other screen here. So I'm just going to use it back and forth. That way I can close this out. But that's where those are. And, join my Facebook group. It's right here. Just come in, join it. I'm trying to grow it just so I can make more contacts. So go ahead and jump in there. And if you're experienced marketer, I'd appreciate some help. And if you're not, well, there's lots of info. You can ask questions and we can have some conversations. That sometimes can be a little bit easier than on here. My phone number is also below every single video. I have got a lot of text messages. I don't mind that at all. That's the whole reason I put that down there, is because I'm trying to help, right? If you guys want to do this, like I said, the link is here. You can also join. This is a great business to be in. Also, if you're interested in making more money, we do really well with this one. And we're going to continue with this series today. And I think what we'll do is let's go jump over to Clickbank. See how slow my internet is today? It's because it stormed here a little bit, and it always messes with my internet. And we live outside of town, so. Okay, well, let's see if Clickbank's any better. So we'll log in. There we go. That came up a little bit faster. Okay, so there's the last sale we had. That was a good one. Let's go check some stats. Now, remember, we just started this new offer yesterday. So today will be day 2 for the new offer. And actually, there's only 10 emails in this one. So we'll be done with this one a little bit faster than the other one. But you can see here, we're still getting clicks on the last offer. So the one before this that we ran, we're still getting clicks on that one. Now, this is just clicks to our link, but that's fine. They got to click our link to get in and see what it is, right? So these are still going. And today we've already started. Today's day 2 on the new offer. We're still getting clicks on the last offer that we ran. So that's how this works too. So when these emails go out, people may not open it right at that second, but they may open it later. And it takes time for all these emails to go out because we click perfect timing. And when you do that, it times it closer. So there's different time zones and things. So it times it so it's sending those emails to that person, excuse me, whenever they're more likely to open it. That's why you see this. All right, so there's what we sent out yesterday. So 114, we had 114 clicks just to our link, and 171 total. Now that's just for yesterday, or sorry, for today. We have not sent out our emails today yet, but we're getting ready to do that. Now, if we come down here to the full period, okay, so here we go. Here is the last offer that we ran. It was these 2 were both in there. So we're still getting clicks here. All right. And this is our 6 sales that we made with the last offer we ran. And in here, you'll see our totals have come quite a bit up. So up 12,494. And that is visits to our link. Now, so 99, we've had 99 visits to our checkout page. And I mean, that's pretty good, but we're gonna see results like that because we're sending to such a mass array of leads with this system. So our earnings is 103.19 so far. We did have the refund. One of the refunds went through. And I think that was $23 or something like that. But like I said before, you're gonna have that. Don't get discouraged over those things. It's going to happen. Not everyone that gets into this is going to understand everything on the front side. They may get more of an understanding and decide, well, really, that's not for me, and then get out of it. It's fine. It happens. You are going to get some that stick. As a matter of fact, our last payment already cleared in the system. And so we've already gotten paid in the system for some of this last offer that we ran. All right, so let's jump over to my lead gen secret, and we'll go ahead and start sending these emails. So today, well, let me run through this real quick because I have had a few questions. I don't want to do this on every video, but I'll go ahead and do it. We'll go ahead and do it on this one. So when you get in here, you're going to click, you log in. The only thing you're going to use is mailing system right here. Don't ever need to worry about this. Don't buy these. If you want those, I have them. I don't think they're in the document below, but I have them. I can put something together. It's not a big deal. But don't buy those. You can check your statistics from here, which we do periodically. Don't really need to worry about this too much until you start making some sales on this. Then you can go in there and check. And if you're not going to advertise this any other way, don't worry about this either. Because it doesn't really pay that well, guys. But we definitely like getting the leads. Okay, and that's your affiliate link. So like I said, whenever you go to, if you're going to promote this, you're going to use this link. If you are going to sign up another account, you're going to do it under this link. That way it goes to you, okay, and not me. And that's fine. That's great. All right, so we'll get rid of this. And I'll close this window. Now what we're going to do, we're going to select mailing system, just like I showed you. And then here you're going to have all your leads in here that you've been getting. So you're going to click select all. Now, what you don't need to do not worry about this. You don't ever need to change that. Okay, forget about it. Don't worry about this. You don't need to change it. It should come up just like this. So don't worry about it. It's none of this matters. All right. So we've selected our leads. We're going to come down here. Now, whenever you first start out, this is going to be completely blank. You won't have anything in here. And that's fine. What this is all the emails you've sent. It's gonna have those in there. That way, if you want to send them again, or if you want to run that promotion again, you can just go in here, you can click an email, you can hit load, and you can send it. It's ready to go. It saves it in here, ready to go for you. We're not going to do that because we're running a promo after a promo after a promo. And we're just going down the line to see which ones do best. Okay, that's all we're doing. So here's your new subject. Excuse me. And what we're going to do, I've got the document pulled up. So I'm going to grab that subject line with Control-C and throw it in there. There we go. And then I'm going to grab the entire email. And let's go ahead and grab the pre-header too. So I'm going to grab the entire email with my link and the pre-header. Now I'm just going to take this out. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to take the bold off of this because I don't like it all bold. I like to bold a few things. And one of those is going to be right there. And then we'll get rid of this and we'll grab our short code right here. Control C and Control V, comma. And I'm going to come down here and we're just going to run through this email. Now this one, I already went through it. It looks fine. Right here, I'm going to change this to, just going to change this to your country. Because these emails will go all over the place. They'll go everywhere. And it seems like this ad anywhere is fine because it's all online. It seems like it's all fine. So we'll just put that in there. Now, our link is calling for here. We like to put that in there a couple times though. So let's see if there's anywhere else we can put this. You know what we could do? Let's do this. Here, let me put my name. Whoops, caps lock's on. All right. And then right here, you're going to go ahead and get your ID in there. There's mine. I'm going to copy this because that's the link I'm going to use. So Control C, and I'm going to put that here. Click the link, Control V, and I'm going to go ahead and bold that. And let's go ahead and bring that size up on that one. And you know what else I'm going to do? I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take that whole line. I'm going to make that whole line the link. That way it's in there twice. And it says in this job. So see, they can click here to see what is in this job. They can click right here and see. Okay, so there's, now all we want to do is get rid of our hop link because we've already got it in here now. Now from here is all, we'll do perfect timing. From here, it's all copy and paste because we already have everything we need inside here. You can preview, you can see this is how it's going to come out. So there's our big link in there. And then there's our link that we bolded at the bottom. So we've got it in there twice. And then we've got it signed. Everything in here looks good. So I say, let's go send it. So Control C and then send it. All right. And then we're going to duplicate. We're going to, well, let's see if my internet will catch up. Might need to duplicate that again. All right. Well, all right, guys, my internet is not cooperating. All right, guys, my internet is not cooperating at all. I'm going to have to reset everything and maybe it'll come back up. But all we're doing at that point is we're going to copy, paste, and send to all of our accounts that we're working with. I've got another video to make today, so hopefully my internet comes back up so I can get these uploaded. It happens. What are you going to do? We've got some bad weather out here, so sometimes this happens. But hey, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully my internet will come back up and tomorrow we'll go through the full process again. And I appreciate you being here. See you on the next video. Later.